Okay, class, the nomination for the position of class president is now open.
Oh my
Any nomination?
God.
Karil, Ma'am, I nominate Ralph for the position of president.
Hello?
Oh my gosh, thank you for nominating.
Dinominate niya
Thank
to.
you for
Puro kain lang alam niya to.
classmate. Mag-best friends na tayo, ha?
Wow,
Mananalo
plastic mo, girl.
Any nomination? Yes, Carlo. Ma'am, I nominate Kenneth for the position of president.
Thank
Si Kenneth yung kalabanin ko.
Bakit?
Nagpapatawa ba kayo?
Takot ka,
Baka
girl.
may gusto sa kanya.
Sorry, gusto ko ng
Sige,
crush
good
mo.
luck. Any nomination? Ma'am, yes, Ralph. I move that the nomination be closed. I second the motion. Okay, let's proceed to voting. Who is in favor of Ralph? Woo! Mananalo tayo!
Walang nagboto sa kanya. Asa ka, girl. Gusto mo? Asa ka?
Hoy, bakit hindi ka nagtaas? Nominate mo ako, ah. Bakit ako lang
Baho, sis.
nagtaas?
Baba mo, sis. Baho.